taste it. We'll not even taste the
You are in a group.
Come.
They will get this one. These people will
Okay,
get
this is the master. This is the sun. This is the light. So these people, they will get the more light, and these people will get small. This is the F. These people will not even get. This is the total darkness. This is the partial darkness. That's all.
Okay. All right. Good. Now you can come here. Good. So, alpha, we all saw your demonstration. Beta, and that of gamma. Good. What I was expecting, or what you were supposed to do, all of us were expecting. Alpha, you were totally out. Nothing. Because you didn't even demonstrate the eclipse. You just put your moon there, your this, and then you just spoke anyhow. So you know what you will get. Beta was able to do something, but then also they failed in explaining, showing us the various regions as is on the diagram in the sketch. Gamma were a bit higher, but they also failed to tell us these regions where they are supposed to be. Actually, this is supposed to be the moon. Now, if you don't place it well, that is what is going to happen. Because even in the diagram, you should know that if you look at the diagram to guide you as a guide, if you look at the diagram, the umbral region is smaller than what? The penumbral regions. Because the moon casts a shadow. Because the eclipse of the sun occurs when the moon casts what? A shadow. A shadow on what? The F. Alright? When the moon comes between the sun and what? The F. Right? The moon comes between the sun and the F. So this is your sun, as we said. Gamma group, they said that. And this is your moon. And so you see that the moon is a smaller heavenly body comparing to the F. So the moon casts a shadow on the F surface. Since the F is bigger than the moon, you don't expect the umbral region to be bigger than the F. So you can see that this is smaller than the F. Are you seeing it? Good. Now, if you position it well, you position the source of light well, because light, all this works on one principle or one property. The light travels in what? A straight line. So if you come here, those on this Earth surface, all right, will experience what? The umbra, the total what? Darkness. Those over here, because it is overlapping now, those over here experience what? Look at this.
Partial.
Have you seen this? That's what we have here. The partial what? Darkness. Okay, those here and those here experience the partial what? Darkness. Those on this part, because if you trace here, you will see that here the F will go into this direction. All right. So those in these regions all are on the F surface, but because of their position, they will not experience any eclipse. They will not see any darkness. Now we are also made to believe. We are also made to know that those in the umbral region, as at the time the eclipse occurs, will have total darkness. They will see the sun to be dark. Nothing. I told you in class how it looks like. And sometimes it's not even advisable to look at it with the naked eye, particularly those in the penumbra. Those in the penumbral regions will see the sun as what? Reddish. That thing can destroy what? Your eyes. Alright? So normally there's a particular space. And I told you the last time Ghana experienced eclipse with that thing, most people have to buy the distance. So that's what we were expecting. We were expecting to see something like that. But he didn't place